Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. I've got all new working codes for Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. Some of these codes might expire anytime, so make sure you watch till the very end. There's even a secret code hidden in this video, so don't skip watch carefully and grab all the rewards to join the giveaway. Just comment your Roblox username below if any code doesn't work. Comment your username again, and I'll help you out. Hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon. So you never miss new codes, whether it's Blocks Fruits Dressed to Impress or 99 Nights in the Forest. We've got all the latest working codes for you. Now the developers just released some amazing new updates, including new skins, new maps, and exclusive challenges. So you don't want to miss out, plus some codes. Give free diamonds and other cool rewards that will help you level up faster and unlock special outfits. Make sure to check every code carefully because some of them are hidden or secret. You have to be really attentive to grab them all. Imagine walking through the forest, collecting diamonds, solving challenges, and finding rare secret codes. It's super exciting. Trust me, it's worth it. Also, don't forget to comment your Roblox username if you want to join the special giveaway and win exclusive items. All right. So grab your notepad, get ready, and let's jump right into all the latest working codes and enjoy the brand new updates in Roblox. 99 Nights in the Forest.